Nationwide Power is the leading provider in the critical power industry, serving thousands of businesses throughout the United States. Our 57,000 square foot corporate facility has the largest quantity of on-hand inventory, from component parts to complete UPS systems of all makes and models. A state-of-the-art testing facility and repair lab with 1 megawatt of power enables our team to make repairs down to the board level, saving our clients money, time, and headache. Our interactive training center provides continuing education for our critical power professionals in the field, who average over 22 years of experience. We also conduct custom-tailored classroom training for our clients. With over $10 million of inventory under one roof, Nationwide Power has your critical power equipment covered. Always available, always on. Visit us at nationwidepower.com.